Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to install Epidemic Sound on PC. Before we start, if you don't have an Epidemic Sound account yet, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to get a 30-day free trial. You'll be able to test premium music, sound effects, and the main features without paying during the trial. So it's the best way to follow this tutorial with your own account. Alright, so first up, go ahead and open up your web browser and type down epidemicsound.com. Alright, wait for it to load. And once you're in here, just go ahead over to the bottom left, click on Apps. Now click on Windows App. Okay, now go ahead and click on Download for Windows. The download page will pop up, save it wherever you want. And once the download process is done, just go ahead and click on it. Here we have the installer. Just wait for it to open. And here we have it. Okay, just go ahead over to the top right and just log in with your account. And if you want to know more about Epidemic Sound, go ahead and check our channel out. We've got a ton of videos for you. That's how easy it is to install Epidemic Sound on PC. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.